Hi everyone. Today, we're talking about how to get a cash advance using your Citibank credit card. It's important to understand this process fully, as a cash advance can be a quick way to get money, but it often comes with significant costs, so use it only when absolutely necessary, and let's dive into the details of how to access these funds and what you need to be aware of. First, you need to know how to actually get the cash, and the most common way is through an ATM. You will need your Citibank credit card and your personal identification number, or PIN, and then you simply go to any ATM that displays the Visa or MasterCard logo, insert your credit card, select the option for cash advance or sometimes withdrawal from credit card, enter your PIN. Input the amount of cash you wish to withdraw, confirm the transaction, and the ATM will dispense the cash, so remember to take your card and your receipt. Another method is visiting a bank branch, where you can go to a Citibank branch directly or to any bank that processes Visa or MasterCard cash advances. Make sure to bring your Citibank credit card and a valid form of identification, like your driver's license, then speak to a teller. Tell them you want a cash advance from your credit card. They will process the request. You will likely need to sign a slip to confirm the transaction, and the teller will then give you the cash. Furthermore, some Citibank credit cards might also offer convenience checks, which look like regular checks that you can write out for the amount you need, then deposit into your bank account or cash at a bank. But be aware that writing a convenience check is treated exactly like a cash advance, carrying the same fees and interest rates, so always check if your specific card offers this feature. Now, let's talk about the important things you must know before getting a cash advance, as these are crucial details. First, the costs are high, as there is usually a cash advance fee, which is often a percentage of the amount you take out. For example, it could be 5% of the amount, and there might also be a minimum fee, like $10, with Citibank charging whichever is greater, and this fee is applied immediately. Second, the interest rate for cash advances is typically very high, usually much higher than your regular purchase APR, and even worse, there is no grace period for cash advances, meaning interest starts accruing from the very first day you take out the cash, which is different from regular purchases where you usually have a grace period before interest kicks in if you pay your statement balance in full. Third, understand your cash advance limit, which is usually not the same as your total credit limit but often a smaller portion of your overall credit line. You can find your specific cash advance limit by checking your credit card agreement, logging into your Citibank online account, or calling Citibank customer service, and it's important not to exceed this limit. Finally, consider the impact on your credit score, because taking a large cash advance can increase your credit utilization, meaning you are using a high percentage of your available credit, and high credit utilization can negatively affect your credit score, while missing payments on a cash advance will severely damage your credit. So always try to pay it back as quickly as possible and think of a cash advance as a last resort, exploring other options first, such as a personal loan or borrowing from friends or family, as they are often less expensive. So, that's how you can get a cash advance on your Citibank credit card, but remember to be cautious and understand all the costs involved, as it's a tool for emergencies, not for everyday spending. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this information was helpful to you, and if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and guides, as we appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time.